Hey folks, how you doing today? I want to show you something here. It's kind of hard to see it, but you see that tree back there, that big oak tree? It came down last night in that windstorm that we had. I'm gonna try to walk off. My road, by the way, is ice. It snowed, but I tell you, there was water flowing down the road last night, and it flash froze on me, and it's just, there's ice under here. I gotta be careful. But yeah, that tree came crashing down last night, and it definitely made a loud noise when it came down. Whew, it was loud. I was just examining the rest of the property here. I had some trees up on a mountain above the house that came crashing down last night, and I was checking out our garage here. And in the garage, the only thing that scared me were those two trees right there, them big ones there. That one's dead, and I thought for sure it'd come down, but fortunately nothing fell there. But like I said, this big boy over here, she came down last night, and here I am sliding on the ice. I gotta walk up the middle of the road. Yeah, it made a loud banging last night. Whew. Oh. Light flurries here this morning. As you can see, the water here coming down the road, leaching from the I have an artesian well, and the pipe that I drain across the road is clogged up, so the water, unfortunately, is gonna come down the road. Some of it. Whew. Wow, man, is that cold. Whew. Here's what I was afraid of last night. These big pine trees here, I was worried they'd come down. They were moving pretty good. I have one in front of the house, and then I have one or two over here. Them two big ones there, you can just see they're huge, and they were bending toward the house. There's the house, and you can see the trees actually now are bending. Over the years, they have a tilt to them toward the house, because the general wind flow out of the west is, of course, behind them, and it pushes them this way. And they are hopefully going to be coming down this year, I hope. The gas company, they're putting in that new gas line here, and of course my house is on the gas line. I was telling David last night there, the gas line runs directly under those pine trees, which I don't get. I mean, so them pine trees got to be 50 to 60, 70 years old, okay? So how did they put in a gas line back in them days when them trees were there? So I'm guessing the gas line has to be older than the pine trees, okay? Yeah, and it's gonna come right down through here. You can see here it says warning pipeline. Yep, and it runs from Ohio to New Jersey, right across here. They say they're gonna come up here with their trucks and all that, and they're gonna be drilling a hole under the ground and pushing the pipe through. And that'll be kind of cool to see, because they're gonna drill a hole from way up here down under this road, under this part. They're gonna come down here and across the creek and out to the highway. That to me is amazing, you know, how they can drill a hole and guide that hole the whole way out through and then put a pipe into the hole. It'll definitely be interesting to see. Okay folks, hey, have a great day, all right? We'll catch you later.